toasty. I call this sausage surprise. So I squeeze the meat out of a couple of sausages and then put it on bread with cheese and tomato.
Yeah, and our mates seem to like it too.
Your mate.
Mate. Anyway, can you see that splashing out there? Holy hell. Anyway, we went for a walk this morning and saw some dolphins in the bay. Elliston's just beautiful when it clears up. So I'll flip you around and you can have a look.
Yeah, we've seen them just down here in Waterloo Bay. So this is Waterloo Bay and the caravan park is just over there.
It's a short walk. Bye, babe.
We're here in beautiful Streaky Bay. Say hi.
Hello.
And I've attempted to do some scones, and really the main reason was because we're carrying around these the jars of jam, and I thought, oh, scones would be nice. So I have whipped up the classic Woman's Weekly lemonade scone, which is with cream, flour and lemonade, of course. So I've just done a half batch. They've come out okay. I did use wholemeal flour, so they taste a bit more, I don't know, like coarse than a normal scone, but I think they're going to do the job. I don't have a whisker, so to thicken the cream, I've just put it in the keep cup with the lid on, and I shook it and I shook it and I shook it, and then I've come out with thickened cream. And then we have a couple of jams here, just one from the shop. The other one we got in Tassie, a raspberry jam, which is really, really tasty. So Ninja's happy. She's got her Arvo tea with the bone. She could be on the moon right now. She doesn't really care where she is as long as she's got that bone. Nick's hooking up the fishing rods for tomorrow. Going for a fish tomorrow, so
Fingers crossed.
Got some gear.
So there's a whole lot of tricks with burley, and you can do it at home here or whatever if you've got the ingredients. But for me, it was just easy to grab some stuff, combine it, and going to use it with a spring and float burley. So we'll see how we go, and hopefully, fingers crossed, tomorrow's the day to get some fish. So
if you've got any tips, please put them in the comments below this video.
Be kind.
Yeah. So yeah, gearing up the kayak. That's been nice Arvo job to do in front of this view. I mean, does it get any better than this? No. So right on the water, well, not right on the water, but as close as the closest site as we could get on the water. And a little love seat. It is a bit more expensive, but if you stay a week, which we are, then you do get a bit of a discount, but you know, it is a bit of a premium place to stay in terms of price. We're just glad that it's not raining or blowing its nut off in the wind. Yeah, so I'll let you know how the scones go.
Morning.
Good morning. Good day to you.
We're on the Eyre Peninsula?
Yeah, Eyre Peninsula. We're still at Streaky Bay.
Yep.
So we ventured out today. It's very clear, beautiful. So there's a loop. It's called Bauer Bay Loop.
Bauer, yeah. So we're
Cape Bauer.
Cape Bauer Road. Well, we're on Cape Bauer Road. It's Bauer Bay Loop, so we're
Yeah. So
Anyway.
it's just a road that takes you in a loop. What it says on the tin. But there's a few different lookout spots along the way. Anyway, the moon is still out, so I'll show you that when we drive on. But yeah, just beautiful scenery, like dunes and the water out there. I don't know if you can see the moon up there. Anyway, yeah, it's lovely. So we'll see what we can see. There's a lookout. There's a lookout on the way. There's some whistling rocks. Apparently. Whistling.
And I've got a coffee to start my day, so
Whistling rocks.
anyway, I got a coffee to start my day. Woohoo!
Let's keep on keeping on.
Yeah, they're cool, right?
Yeah. We'll just like from the wind and the water.
Yeah.
They look like beehives almost.
I want to get out there. There's something out there. Straight out here, watch that wave. Just beyond him. Wait till it comes down and drops off. You'll see it. I don't know if it's a dolphin. Can't see it. See? See it out there? Dolphin. So about over there. Whoop, yeah. Straight out here.
Oh
See it?
yeah. Yeah, I saw it. So this is Cape Bauer. And surprisingly, it's really low wind. So once again, Drone Master 2000.
Well, for now.
For
See
now.
how we go.
Yeah, this is lovely.
If you see the footage, it worked. If you
Yeah,
don't,
if you don't,
I
you-
lost my drone.
Pretty spectacular.
Don't leave a message. I can't call you back. I'm in the groove. Left, right, here we go. Follow me way down low. I'm in the zone, catching all the light. I'm on a high.
babe.
Although,
There they are. And look how blue it is. Stunning.
dolphins.
So just saw a pod of dolphins, which is absolutely awesome. About 30, 35 of them.
Yeah.
Got some footage on the drone, so hopefully it comes out all right.
Ninja slept through the whole thing.
Yeah, she's just having a rest.
So it pooped.
But yeah, it's unreal. It's just a stunning, stunning place.
For a swim.
Yeah, I'm gonna get in for a swim. Why not? Quick tip. Looks stunning.
This is seagrass is so funny. It's kind of like I lost my thong. They're like paper streamers. Almost. Whew. Oh, that's better.
Well, it's not the. There's some lovely beaches around here, but this is the easiest one to get to, and it's protected still and beautiful clear water. So, might have a quick freezing dip. And
Is it cold? Have you felt it?
baby, would I lie to you?
Oh.
Don't fight, I'm always right.
Woo! That was what's the adjective you would use? Invigorating?
Invigorating, freezing.
I thought my
All the
heart
above.
stopped at one point.
I felt like it was colder than Tassie, but I mean, we are later in the year. But
Yeah, it's technically.
what a wake up. Ooh, it's good.
Yep.
Hmm.
That is all I have to say about that. Now we're going to head back now. I think this is the end of the Bauer Bay loop.
Actually, we're only really halfway, to be honest. I just had a look at the map.
Oh.
It's actually a lot bigger than I thought.
All
But
right.
we'll probably come back another time. And
Tomorrow.
yeah, we've got a week here, so it's beautiful. Yeah, I think we're getting hangry.
Yeah, we need some food soon.
Yep.
Otherwise we go like this. Crash.
Sound effects and all.
Anyway, that was that. Is that. Bye. On the way to the sea colony, it's corrugated roads. Our teeth are chattering, so I'll let some air out.
Yeah, let some, just a little bit, just soften it a bit. Just gotta pull up.
What are you going to go down to?
Probably drop it to about 30. We don't have far to go. I just want to take the edge off. I think corrugations, if you're doing it for a long period of time, you're probably best at, I think I've looked at about 24, 26, somewhere around there, but 30 will drop it down. I do have a tool that does all four at once, but I got that preset for beach, so I don't want to drop it down to 16 or 20.
Still shaky, but it is much better.
Yeah.
It feels better.
So I put it down to about 28. We don't have far to go, we're only 4 minutes away. Yeah, so just also after corrugations and stuff, like tomorrow I'll get under the car, check all the nuts and bolts, anything I can visually see. I'm not a mechanic, but I do just try and preempt anything that might happen, hopefully, and yeah, fun.
Yeah. I have people like honing down.
Yeah, he's got a Suzuki Swift, he can short wheelbase, he's probably not feeling anything.
Not so lucky.
Or mostly people that don't care about shit falling off the car.
Yeah, and that. Yeah, we kind of need our car. So.
Yeah.
Anyway, not long to go. See you at the other side. Sitting away doing my YouTube editing. Anyway, it's bloody started belting down rain, and it's always the way because Nick's stuck outside in it. Just as he decided to repack the car, he's out there soaked. Anyway, Ninja's in, so at least she's warm. Hey girl. Yeah. So it did rain actually it stormed last night. So yeah, we packed the awning in, but mainly it's just because of the noise. We have a rain bar and we put the anti-flap kit on it, so like it does hold really well even in pretty strong winds, but it's just we get a better sleep. So we did that, and oh, here it is. I was just saying, it's always the way when you go to do something, it just pelts down. So a bit too late for the raincoat.
Yeah.
But there's a nice rainbow out there.
Right side of life.
Oh.
So we're still in Streaky Bay, and we've had some pretty serious weather come in. Warnings about severe winds up to 90k gusts, and just winds of normal, not normal, but 70k's gusts. So we've basically dogs inside,
Roof's down.
we've collapsed it, so we're sort of Well, I'm crouched. Amanda's not too bad.
Yeah, I'm not too bad. And then we just brought in some stuff. So we've got a toaster in here. We've obviously got our coffee machine. The good thing about this is it does boiling hot water out of the steam wand as well, so we can at least have some cup of noodles.
Yeah. So good news is we've still lucky we've got electricity. We're hooked up. We've got water galore, which is good.
Yeah, the spare cassette.
Got a spare cassette for toiletries, so you don't have to go out and get blown away.
But we're in a good position because if we really needed to, it is just over there.
Yeah. So we've got a camp kitchen just over here that we can sort of get to quick enough. Anyway, I thought I'll show you quick if I can and not get blown away. So a tree's already broken down just outside us. The good news is the yak's still here. So yeah, this tree berry is not too bad for us. It's a double-edged sword. Well, this bush isn't too bad, but that obviously a tree's broken here. I wouldn't be surprised if it may break again. Anyway, fun times. So we're just making Ninja's bed, and so we can kick her off for breakfast. And this is how Amanda's operating at the moment.
Look, it could be worse, I suppose.
Yeah, you could be my height.
Yeah.
Or taller.
I can almost stand, but if I walk like I've got bad posture, it's alright.
Yeah, well, hopefully it's just a day. And yeah, obviously we use the shower for the water, which is, oh, it's all plumped from the same thing, so. So those with solid those with solid vans, obviously no one's got their awning out in this. They're okay, and those with the pop tops have obviously collapsed them as well. I feel for those people that are in like a forward fold trailer camper or those fold out types. There's been one or two here, Kimberley Campers and a few others that have packed in and they're in the kitchen. But it just came, well, we didn't get a crazy amount of warning, was it? It was sort of here and locked in and just got to ride it out. So what are you making us, babe?
Couple of coffee, please.
Coffee, please, woohoo! And Vegemite on toast?
Yeah, breakfast of champions.
Yeah, can't go wrong with that.
Morning.
Yeah. Give me a factor. I can't.
Good morning.
Let's start again.